Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So in this video, I will be breaking down the weekly P&L and update you guys with the new challenge that I just bought, 5K with Funded Next. And yeah, so let's jump into the weekly recap and show you how much we ended up in this week. So the first trade I took, it was at, let's say, 11 a.m. NY session. So we had an hourly fair value gap holding and we had this sweep with the close and the retracement of this level of demand. Then we had another close. Then we had a fair value gap resting below this 50% move. I put my entry just at this level with a stop at these lows with a clear target, and the trade ended up not playing, which is pretty cool. Then when I saw this huge rejection to the downside, I changed my bias. So I told myself this is the sweep and this is the change, and this is a M5 fair value gap that it's holding. And now that we have swept at these highs and we close below this low, okay, now we have to respect this fair value gap and go deeper into this H4 fair value gap, okay? That's what I was anticipating. But the price ended up going higher. Okay, so these are the two trades I took on Monday with a total loss of -2%. Then on the next day, which is 15, what is it? This one. So this one is pretty easy as we have an H1 fair value gap, and I didn't trade the AM session, I traded the PM. So I saw that we are heavily going down to target the lunch hour lows. So I was watching all these PUYs until we got our setup. It's a basic close with a fair value gap with a clear strong highs. And yeah, my entry was at the fair value gap targeting these lows 1 to 2, and yep, that was my final target. But because I was and a -2% loss, I was good with 2 RR. So 2% win on this trade. So the account now is back at break even. And on Friday, we took the last position, which was before market opened. It was pretty clear. So we had another H1 fair value gap holding. We had the sweep, as you guys can see. Then we had the close, and if you took from the bottom to the top, below this 50%, what you will find is an inverse fair value gap right there that never got retraced. This is an inverse fair value gap, and for this one, this is an M5 fair value gap. So my entry was pretty simple. I waited for the price to come right there, and I did a market execution in just a few seconds before the market opened. We dip a little bit, then we boom hit the full take profit. So this was a 2% GP. I guess my stuff was right there. Yeah, so that was a 2% GP, and I ended my day before the market even opened. And from there, it was just chopping, as you guys can see, a lot of chopness. And let me show you the dashboard of the Funded Next. So this is the dashboard, and I'm up 2% on the account, as you can clearly see. I'm up 2%, okay? and I need 6% more to pass this challenge, and then go to phase 2 and do the exact same thing. So that was a weekly recap. I hope you guys learned from it, and yeah, see you in the next week. It's gonna be fire. As I told you in the previous video, I followed my plan. Yeah, it's planned perfectly. I only traded 3 days in this account, so that's pretty much cool. See you guys in the next one.